And because he cannot marry more than one wife, we have decided to give him Ife.
What?
As the eldest daughter of the family.
How, Father? What then happens to my own baby?
Same goes to me. Father, what happens to my child then?
Your children becomes mine. And the cook marries Ife.
Ha! Father, no, that one will not happen. No. It will not happen, Father. Stop all this. I don't understand. Why? Why? Why, Ife? You opened your mouth and said the cook will make his choice. Why are you giving him Ife? Why?
Exactly, Father. How could you even say that? That the cook should marry Ife? Then what happens to us? Ichokamburu Nagano, Chukwamankwe. Papa, allow him to make his own choice of a woman. The woman that, that is good for him. Not telling him to, let's give him Ife. Ha! Me, I will not agree. It's not possible.
Okay, it's okay. You are all right. You girls are very right.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.